Hello students, let us understand the continuous charge distribution. When we use discrete charges, this means charges can be counted, and of course in that case mathematical things are very simple. But when we talk about continuous distribution, in that case we have to use calculus. But it is very impractical sometimes to consider discrete charges because in most of the time we consider a surface. Suppose there is a spherical body or a cube where the charges are uniformly distributed. On that time we consider a small portion of that surface, and we know that that particular point or that particular surface contains n number of charges, many charges. So in that case we can consider that small portion and then integrate for the whole surface area or volume or along the length. That is why there are three types of continuous charge distribution: linear, surface and volumetry. So sometimes it is easier to use, as I said, that discrete charges are sometimes impractical to be utilized for charge distribution. So we can have different type of body: linear, which is having length and surface area. Of course, some bodies may have planar bodies, like they have surface area, and then there are bodies which has volume. So on that time calculus cannot be avoided, so we have to use calculus, and we consider that the smaller region has many charges, and in that case we can consider that small charge and integrate for the whole body, and we can get the total charge or whatever value we want to find out. So this means continuous charge distribution, although we have to use calculus, but sometimes we have to use the idea of continuous charge distribution. Discrete charge distribution can only be considered when when you don't want to use calculus, the mathematical rigidity of calculus are avoided. So on that time we use discrete charge. But as I said, for surface area, volume and length, we consider continuous charge distribution. Thank you.